there's the flower that actually is quite pretty when it's in bloom. All the petals are gone now, so I'm guessing that's gonna be like seeds. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Here you can see where it touched down on the mulch, it gave off all these ribosome roots, which shows how easily this is propagated, which is exciting. That means I can have a lot more of them. So I'm definitely gonna have them all in the front because I'm very, very happy with all these roots. So here is where I'm thinking of putting it. This Ramadan has been doing pretty well, but I kind of want to redo it. A nice, pretty foliage going. So what we've got right now, this is what I'm hoping to place. What we got, what I want. Wish you luck. Alright, so now I've finished demolishing. I've got my rake and shovel. I'll be smoothing out the mulch and just making sure that, you know, the ground cover's still there intact, keep the moisture in the ground. So watch me as I work. So all this, oh, we dug away. And this is where I plan to put it. I smoothed out all the wood chips, made it all even. Stop calling wood chips, more like wood shavings. But yeah, still gotta unbury this pineapple, but after I plant. And again, Lithuania, Lithana has these prickly things. So if you see these prickly things, goats hate that. So on your farm, you just make a wall of these beautiful flowers, and the goats will not trouble you. It's great, isn't it? And they just grow wildly here. So I'm hoping to transplant eventually. So this little yellow and black guy saved this lemon bush because he has built himself quite a nest, and I really didn't want to disturb, so I'm gonna let him be. So I didn't clear this bush, and it's okay because I ran out, but I did save pineapple. It's another pineapple. That's the insulin bush I planted in the tire. So I'm hoping that it'll fare nicely once it roots itself, stands up again. That's mango. This is ackee. Underneath the ackee is some more. What are you guys doing? What is it? My puppies. My puppies. No. Yes, this is ackee. Come. Underneath the ackee, we have a pineapple. I may have to get rid of this branch of the ackee tree, but pineapple, another tire where I put the insulin, and this is another mango. Here's another bush of the lemon balm I kept, and of course again, Lithana. And there's another pineapple, another insulin. Here's a sucker that I plan to put. Hey, come here! I plan to put in the hole. That's another sucker. This is the pineapple bush I kept. This is, I can't remember right now. It's another tree I planted. That's more pineapple. Okay, so this here is soursop, and a goat was actually eating it the second year I planted it, so it's just making a comeback this rain season. And then pineapple and more insulin. So that's what we got going on. So how are we working today?